Shadow practice, also called shadowing, is a very effective method to improve English speaking. In this method, you listen to a native speaker and speak at the same time, just like you are the speaker's shadow. How does shadow practice work? You play an audio or video. Whatever the speaker says, you repeat it immediately with the same tone, same speed, and same pronunciation. This quickly improves your accent, fluency, intonation, and confidence. Benefits of shadow practice: reduces hesitation while speaking English, improves listening skills, helps you learn natural sentence flow and speaking style, automatically improves pronunciation. How to do it? Simple method. Choose a short 1 to 2 minute audio or video. Use earphones. Shadow the speaker. Speak exactly when they speak. Slowly increase your speed. Practice for 10 to 15 minutes daily. Types of shadow practice. 1. Basic shadowing. You simply repeat the words exactly as you hear them. Perfect for beginners. 2. Imitation shadowing. You copy the speaker's emotion, tone, pauses, rhythm, and style. This helps you sound more natural and confident. 3. Silent shadowing. You move your mouth and lips without speaking aloud. This builds muscle memory for English sounds. 4. Shadow plus record method. You shadow a clip, then record yourself speaking the same lines and compare your voice with the original. Very powerful for improvement. What to use for shadow practice: short YouTube clips, English news, slow speed, podcasts, movie dialogues, English learning videos, audiobooks. Choose clear and slow speakers at the beginning. How to improve faster: start slow, 0.75 speed, and increase gradually. Choose short clips instead of long videos. Repeat the same clip every day for 3 to 5 days. Focus on pronunciation of difficult words. Practice regularly, even for 5 to 10 minutes. Beginner-level shadow practice lines. You can speak these along with me if you want to. Hello, how are you doing today? I am learning English every single day. I am trying to improve my fluency and confidence. I speak along with the audio to practice shadowing. This method helps me sound more natural.